with the TimberTech product, which is our house brand, being capped on all four sides of each board, it's very, very resistant to the Kansas City weather. That plastic capping, you have a greater chance of moisture not getting into the little bit of wood flour they put in composite material to help adhere it together. Snow and ice, obviously it's slick on driveways, it's going to be slick on a composite deck. You do not want to put ice melt on a composite board. It won't instantly deteriorate it, but you know, if you don't get out there in a timely manner after you've applied it to remove it, it could cause damage to the board. But it's very resistant to hail, heat. It will get hot, it will expand and contract, but it's not going to get hot enough to where, you know, it melts in between joists or you have a wave effect happening on your deck.